I'm going to show you how to make a simple and tasty spinach avocado hummus. I proudly designed these recipes for the American Heart Association Healthy for Good movement, which encourages us to adopt a healthier lifestyle by eating smart, moving more, being well, and my favorite, adding color. In a blender or food processor combine unsalted chickpeas, lemon juice, extra virgin olive oil, fresh garlic cloves, pinch of salt, pepper to taste, and this is the fun part, add color. 1 cup of fresh spinach and 1 fresh avocado. They are heart healthy and have naturally good fats. Enjoy with fresh carrots, as a puree, or as a sauce. Adopting simple changes today can create a difference for you, for your family, and next generations. Visit heart.org/healthyforgood for more recipes and tips.